Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can consistently make profits and let me show you my trade history. I made around $36 profit today. You can see here around $36 profit. I took three trades and I compound two step and then I took a single trade and these all three trades that I took today and I made $36 from these three trades and now I want to withdraw my profit. I want to withdraw my profit and this is a real account you can see. So to withdraw your funds you need to first transfer your balance, your profit to uh, crypto wallet because I want to withdraw with crypto. This is the best option to deposit and withdraw, right? And let me put my profit amount that is 35.90, right? So let me transfer. So this fund has been transferred to my crypto wallet. Now I can withdraw my fund to any crypto type, but I want BNB, smart chain, right? So let me withdraw. When I click on the withdraw button, then you will get a verification code in your registered email. And make sure if you want to join my community, if you want to learn how I trade actually, then don't forget to create a Deriv account and verify with my link. Then you can join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description, right? So here it has been verified. Now I will just test my BNB USDT Web20 and then click on withdraw. That's simple. And the withdraw is very smooth, very fast. I will show you when I receive my withdraw. Exactly, you will see how much time it will take to receive my withdraw. Usually it takes just 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Uh, yeah, mostly I receive my withdrawal under 10 minutes, mostly. So once it's complete, I will show you here. So guys, you can see I already get my withdrawal and here is the Binance notification. You can see, right? So that's simple. That's simple. Do options trading, make profit every day, then you can withdraw your funds and you can enjoy your money, right? So that's very smooth. I I said the best trading platform, binary binary options trading platform is Deriv. Deriv is the best option. Okay, I will come with a new video soon.